So before I end this series, I want to take a minute to say thanks to everything that has happened to me over the last 30 years. If at least a few of you think of me as a bold person, I owe it to my papa and mummy for bringing me up the way they did. The way they taught me to be confident in myself, to believe in myself, to voice my opinions. And also huge call out to my brother. While we had a rough patch of childhood, like we were like typical siblings, but I wouldn't have it any other way with him. I am also very, very fortunate to have the best cousins out there for dancing, for wedding preps, for Perinal nights, for gossips, for everything. Special shout out to Chinjus, my twin sister from another mother. Throughout my schooling, I was fortunate to have a good set of friends. Adira and Nita, two gems that I got out of the school life. Merin, for being the angel that she is. After school was college. Ever indebted to Model Engineering College because I found my life partner there. Also found a best friend, Noel. Nothing more, nothing less. After school was work when I became financially independent for the first time. It would be a sin for me to not mention Arati. She is another gem that I got from my life in Bangalore. I had Cat. It was an Ernakulam. Firstly, my roommates there, Sadika and Emi. There was Nimisha. Then there was Srirag. He's like a brother. So after Cat, obviously comes my IIM life. It was a very humbling experience to be in a room full of people who are immaculately better than you in every way that you can think of. I was not there to make friends, honestly, but friendship happened. It started off with tequila shots. Jesnan was, I don't know, like people would joke that he was like a son to me. He's nothing less. He's very, very close to my heart that way. Then there's Ishan, there's Sumi, and I got a sister from there as well. In fact, should I say, hashtag soul sister Vidhi. We were hired at the same place. And ever since, there has not been one thing that I had to shy away from telling her. And then happened our wedding. So I was waiting for the wedding to speak about my then boyfriend, now husband, Vignesh, Vicky as I call him. He's one of the best things that has happened in my life. I've heard some people tell him that you won a lottery with Fio. They don't know it's the other way around. I won a lottery with him and I'm always very proud to call him my husband. I cannot miss Shambhu, who's our niece, and Paru, who's my sister-in-law. I wouldn't want to add that in-law there. She's just my sister. I think it was like a long-lost friendship / sisterhood that found us. I don't know if she's even aware of indirect things she's done for me that has made my life easier in my in-laws. The next set of people that I'm going to talk about are the Beta Boys. Listing all their names is going to be impractical, but I think I cannot miss calling out Polly, Tadu, and Balram. Our life in Kochi after the wedding, the first 1 or 2 years were amazing. All that credit goes to these people. After that, we shifted to Bangalore and suddenly it felt like the universe is conspiring for me and bringing all of my friends to Bangalore. I think I need to take a breath. Everybody I took the names of holds a very special place in my heart. Thank you, universe, for keeping me alive for 30 years to go through this beautiful journey, to meet these beautiful people and to have these beautiful memories. Thank you.